When we're measuring how well we're doing, we look at productivity and services, exports and imports. But what we don't count, believe it or not, is the toll we have on nature. It's a bit like a football team measuring its success by the number of goals it scores, without counting the number of goals scored against it. At Highlands Rewilding, we're counting nature, so we know how much carbon we're sucking and storing, and how many animals there are. That way, we can measure how well we're doing restoring nature, making it easier to properly invest in saving our planet.